Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Krap. Today I don't want to play a game. Today I will show you how do I make a beat in Ableton Live. And this is a free beat session. Welcome. This is a sample I prepared before, and I want to make a beat old school beat. Before I hear a sample, I want to make a drum pattern first. I need a kick. I guess this is pretty good. And I need a snare. Yes. Oh shit. Oh, this is good. And I need a hi-hat, closet hi-hat. Oh, I hear it. I am maybe good. And I want a tempo a 90. Yes. Not good. And I need one more, and here, yes, that's close to enough. Oh, stupid. I guess it's pretty good. No, not here. Why so weird? Oh, good. No, I want to put again in here, and hi-hat here, and I copy it. And I want to make a variation in here, and I delete it and put in here. But I need one more here. Good. Copy again, duplicate, and now is make a sample. Sorry for my bad English, but you know what I mean, right? Rap. Yeah, I need good. I want to delete these, delete, and no, I don't want to like that. I'm gonna copy it. No, not like that. God damn it. I guess it's good. Delete. No. Again, maybe here. Duplicate. Oh, it's pretty good. Into the next session. Cut here, and and duplicate. I need you here. Delete again, and delete again, and copy it. And this is transpose minus to semitone, I guess. And let's hear it. What sounds like that? What's it like that? Okay, and okay, good. Yeah. Oh fuck. I forget. Yeah, sounds good. Yeah. And 1 2 3 4 bar. I need to copy it, duplicate, and I have a 8 bar. This is just demo beat. This is just demo beat. If you wanted this beat, is free. Make sure you subscribe me first, share if you want to share, and like this video, and don't forget to comment your email. I will send you the final ratio this beat just for you. Okay, and see you next time in another appreciation. Goodbye.